On the iPhone, good morning. Well, they can't hear me yet.
You got Ben today.
There we go.
I was in the council today.
Yeah. Say what?
I was canceling with people, so we were supposed to be going to after work, but
Yeah.
not from the snowstorm.
Yeah. You want where?
Take a look.
Oh.
Yeah.
We got it.
Next Friday after work.
Might be good.
Okay.
I'll let y'all know what's good.
All right, let's get going.
Yes, sir.
Hold on.
Good morning, everyone. Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins. While court is in session, please keep your backgrounds quiet and clear. Sit back, wait for your names to be called. Also, here in the vehicle, there is no driving while court is in session. Also, limit on talking, eating, drinking, gum, chewing, walking around, and smoking of any kind, and please remain properly dressed at all times. Thank you. Good morning, Ron.
All right, good morning. Good morning, everyone, again. You'll see, we can get you out of here. Is that Andre, A-U-N-D-R-A?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. All right, Rob Fox.
Hello?
Mr. Counselor Mitchell, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge. How are you today?
Very well. Who's your client?
Brianna Lewis Taylor.
I think she's here.
Yeah, she should be on. She's in the waiting room, I think.
No, she's here.
Need to speak with the state attorney.
You need to speak to the state attorney?
Yes.
Right here, Your Honor. I'm here, Your Honor.
Rob Fox, what is your name, sir? What is your name? Can you get Stephanie on? Please. Yeah.
Printing her stuff.
No, I have, I'm summoning, APA Cole to the courtroom now for, Brianna Lewis and for, Mr. Devon. All right. So give them a hand. I need Logan, Elias Logan smile. All right. This is not.
No, I'm just getting pronounced. he came in yesterday, Mr. Green, his stuff
Wasn't valid?
no, so I told him to come in to see if he could.
All right, let's go. Mr. Logan, you there?
Yes, I'm here.
All right, case, this is the city of Detroit versus Cornelius Logan Jr. Case number SP 123-30591. SP 123-42051. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
All right, state your name for the record, Mr. Logan.
My name is Cornelius Logan Jr.
Today is the date and time. On the bench warrant, go ahead.
Judge, for purpose of arraignment, we'll stand mute and waive formal reading at this time, Your Honor.
Whether or not guilty plea on your client's behalf, we'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Logan, do you have a valid driver's license, sir?
Not at the moment, but I'm in the process of obtaining it. I have my permit though.
Run his driver's license, please.
Excuse me? Excuse me?
I said we're gonna run your driver's license, sir.
Okay. You want the number?
No, we got everything we need. Thank you. Mr. Goss, are you there?
Somebody got to take me offline. I got a court case, man.
Mr. Fox. Mr. Fox. All right, gentleman on the iPhone down, where he's not down there now. Hello, how you doing, Mr. Hernandez?
Yeah, how are you?
In the red shirt. What's your name, please? The glasses on.
Randy.
Say that again.
Randy Lankwa.
What's the last name again?
Lankwa, Lanqua.
Okay. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Logan. Mr. Logan, I got a valid driver's license. I'm going to offer you a blocking traffic, $175 for the speeding ticket, sir. You have an absolute right to a trial. You want to speak to a lawyer regarding the offer, you can do that. I can put you in a breakout room. That's going to be a 0-point offense. Back to the Secretary of State. What would you like to do?
Say that one more time. I didn't quite catch it.
You have, I'm going to offer you a blocking traffic, $175. It does not abstract to the Secretary of State. Therefore, it does not carry any points. It's like an expensive parking ticket, what I equate it to. I'll dismiss the misdemeanor, no license ticket. You have an absolute right to a trial. You can exercise that right if you choose, if you refuse the offer, or you could speak with an attorney to get some better understanding on the matter. What would you like to do?
I would accept the offer.
On behalf of your client, Mr. Warbling, will you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulate, Judge.
Mr. Logan, $175, when can you pay?
I could, well, I could pay today online or whatever.
I guess you could pay it online. I'm gonna put it in there for next week for $310. I usually recommend paying it at the DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, or you can upload that DivDat app to your phone, or coming down to the courthouse and paying it. But I'll give you till $310 to make sure it's in, so it doesn't affect your license. You're gonna see you owe the court a lot of other money down there too, sir. So
Yeah.
all right. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Good luck to you. All right.
Okay. Thank you.
All right.
Your Honor, can you put the attorney in the breakout room?
He's waiting on APA Cole.
Oh, okay.
If I'm able to get a blocking traffic for my client, I don't need to wait for call. I don't know if he's planning on coming to the courtroom today.
Yeah, I don't think they're in a position to that's a misdemeanor, leaving the scene of a property damage accident. They're not going to reduce they're not going to reduce a misdemeanor to a civil infraction. That's what they say. I'm going to give you an opportunity to retry.
There's some different facts on it, but I'll wait. I'll wait for him.
Okay.
All right.
Good morning, Mr. Warbling. Good morning, Ms. Fernandez.
All right.
Good morning, Mr. Goss.
You're right back here.
All right. Okay, Mr. Lewis, Andre Lewis.
Yes, I'm here, Your Honor.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Andre Lewis, case number SP 135-19951, SP 143-2334, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 143-32671. Appearance for the record, please.
Ben Warbling, P64889, on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
All right, state your name for the record, Mr. Lewis.
Andre Lewis, and it's Junior, Your Honor.
Let's see if that's better or worse.
I didn't understand them.
So let's see if that's better or if that's worse.
What, the Junior?
As far as it relates to how many number of cases it is, you only have this one case then?
Yes, Your Honor.
All
I
right,
just stated Junior because me and my dad had the same exact name.
Yeah, I see. All right, let's strike that from the record. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Andre Lewis Jr., case number SP 1866151. Appearance for the record, please.
Ben Warbling, P64889, on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
All right, he stated his name for the record already. Let me grab this sheet.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Lewis, based on the nature of the charges, the city is not going to give you an offer on this, disregarding the officer's signal. They want to bring the officer in to hear their side of the events. I'm going to set a trial date for you for April the 25th, 2023 at 9 a.m. All right.
Okay, Your Honor. You said,
We'll get some
okay, I'm
resolution.
sorry.
You have any questions?
Yeah, I didn't get that date quite clear, Your Honor. Phone was breaking up.
April the 25th, 2023 at 9 a.m.
Okay, April 25th,
Yes.
9 a.m. Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Have a very good day, sir. Good luck to you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Mr. Hernandez. Mr. Hernandez. Who's your client?
Mr. Good morning. My client is Hector Olivo Sayas.
Hector. Say the middle name, say the last name again.
Sayas.
Okay. All right, well, we'll see if he shows up. Is that Stephanie Marie Owens? Is it Stephanie Marie Owens? You have to unmute yourself, ma'am.
Good morning, Your Honor. Yes, it is. Stephanie Marie Owens.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Stephanie Marie Owens, case number SP 121640712 and 3, and SP 121690221. Appearance for the record, please.
Ben Worthing, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
Right. Record, Ms. Owens.
I didn't hear you, Your Honor.
State your name for the record, please.
Stephanie Marie Owens.
All right, today is the date and time for arraignment on the bench warrant. Counselor, go ahead.
Judge, for purposes of arraignment, we'll stand mute. We'll waive formal reading at this time.
All right, I'm going to enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'm going to give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Owens, have valid registration, insurance, and a license?
No, it wasn't my vehicle.
All right, let me ask you this. Do you have a valid license?
No, I do not.
All right, I'm going to set the matter aside and see what Mr. Goss is going to offer. It's probably going to be a failure to display, Counselor.
That's correct, Your Honor. Dante, may it please the Honorable Court, Dante Goss, P60162 on behalf of the people. Yes, that's correct, Your Honor.
How far away are you trying to get a license, Ms. Owens? I think.
Yes, I am.
What does it take for you to get a valid driver's license?
I have to file either bankruptcy or pay $1,500 and $150 a week, which I just found that out the same day I paid some tickets off. I went to the Secretary of State and found out that I was being sued. So I'm in the process of getting up the $1,500 to give to Legacy, I believe it is.
Well, let me stop you.
Start making some payments.
Let me stop you. I have an idea already what's going on. So you don't have to put all your business out there. If it's a reasonable amount of time, I can give you a reasonable amount of time, but if it's not reasonable, then we're just gonna have to move forward. And how much time do you think you can do to get this taken care of, to get a license?
At least 2 months.
I'm gonna give you 60 days.
Okay, that's fair.
Thank you, Your Honor.
May the 4th, May the 4th, 2023 at 8:30, we'll set a pretrial. All right?
Yes.
If nothing further, good luck to you, ma'am. Have a great day.
You too. Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
All right.
Your Honor, can I get in the breakout room with Officer Van Sickle and Officer Nathan?
Good morning, officers.
Morning, Your Honor.
Rob Fox. Rob Fox. What, yes, sir. I guess he's at work. All right, Manuel Gibson.
Manuel Gibson.
Good morning to you.
Morning.
City of Detroit versus Manuel Christopher Gibson, case number SP 1324276, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Ben Werbeling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
Manuel Christopher Gibson.
Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. I remember Mr. Gibson. Let's see what the last time you were here, what was done or said. You had a trial set. You must have missed that. You're supposed to show some proof that you would be back on track on getting your license. Do you have anything to show the court?
Just that I sent in my packet to the Secretary of State to get a hearing. But the last response that I need to get this matter in the Third District Court cleared up before I can proceed to get a license.
Oh, well, Mr. Werbeling, he's got the driving while license revoked. So
yes, Judge.
If you talk to Goss about it and see what you can work out for insurance. All right, I'll give you an opportunity to speak with counsel. Mr. Gibson, just sit tight. Lawyer's gonna see what he can do on your behalf, all right?
Yes, thank you. Are we going to the breakout room?
Not yet. He's got to speak with the lawyer. All right, on the
Judge, you want some more?
would you like some water, Judge? Yeah, thank you. That goes down to Taylor Lewis. Rob Fox, the guy at work. That gives us down to Taylor Lewis. Is that Brianna Taylor Lewis?
It's Taylor Brianna Lewis, Your Honor.
All right, I've already, your lawyer's here, and I've already summoned the prosecutor to the courtroom. So as soon as they arrive, I'm going to give your lawyer an opportunity to speak on your behalf. All right, so sit tight, please.
Okay.
Yes. Garrett, Jake Garrett.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Your Honor.
All right. Jake Garrett. City of Detroit versus Jake Garrett, case number SP 128-57031, SP 128-588, 8, Council 1, 2, and 3, 1388, 1331, and SP 1881332. Appearance for the record, please.
Ben Werbling, P64889, on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Garrett, can you state your name for the record, please?
My name is Jake Garrett.
All right, today is the date and time set for pretrial in the matter. I'm going to set aside the defaults for so Mr. Garrett can be heard on the cases that are in default. I have a driver's license never acquired, no plates, no proof of insurance, insufficient lights, drove while unlicensed, and insufficient. Let's get Mr. Goss and let's get an offer for him. Mr. Goss, can you put your appearance on the record, please? Bless whoever that was.
Your Honor.
Yes, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Dante Goss on behalf of the people.
All right, we're on the record with Jake Garrett. He has a driver's license never acquired, no plates, civil infraction, no proof of insurance, civil infraction, insufficient lights or defective lights, civil infraction, 2 counts of insufficient light. And he's got another count of driving while unlicensed. What is this offer?
How many charges total was that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 misdemeanors, driving while license never acquired, and driving while unlicensed, and then the rest civil infractions.
The FTD and the 2 equipment violations.
Okay, so your offer, sir, is going to be pleading to the failure to display. But as amended, failure to display, I'll fine you $240 for that. And then the 2 equipment violations, I'll fine you $120 a piece for those. So it'll be a total of $480. You have an absolute right to a trial. I'll put you in a breakout room with Mr. Warbling so you can speak to him. Mr. Warbling, make sure if he wants to take the deal, you read him his advice or rights, please.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is Larry Darden here? Cornelius Lamont Green here? Michael Strauss? Morning, Officer McCain.
Hello.
Lewis.
No.
Who is that on the iPhone 13 Pro?
Christopher Lewis here. I don't know.
Jake Garrett, you never did join the breakout room.
I just joined and they sent me back to the main screen.
Can you try to join again, please?
Okay.
On the iPhone 13 Pro, or the gentleman down there with his hand on his chin, what's your name, please?
Kenneth Lyles.
On the phone, that's at 313-487-3104. What's your name, please?
Pablo Peña, sir.
Oh, Pablo Pena?
Excuse me?
Pablo Pena?
Yes, sir.
You were supposed to be here yesterday. Your lawyer's been trying to get in touch with you.
He hasn't called me. I tried calling him, but I was on the 3rd. I thought it was today.
Hold on a second. Can you get Mr. Vassal Johnson in here, see if he can get in here?
Vassal Johnson?
Yes,
You said
please.
you want to sign yesterday.
Yeah, I've already, you can leave it over there. So,
You already just called on? Okay,
I said, I gave her some time.
all right. You said call Vassal Johnson.
All right. See if Vassal Johnson, he finally caught up with Pablo Pena.
Is Christopher Lewis here?
Good morning to you, sir. I already checked you in.
Okay, thank you.
Are they trying to get a hold of him, Judge?
Yeah, I'll get a hold of him.
Okay, thank you. It was more than sure they told me on the 3rd.
I don't know what's going on with APA Cole, Mr. Mitchell. She usually comes right in.
Can we just give me a trial date then, and I'll try to get in contact with you prior to that date?
Yep, I can do that.
And the Cole, APA Cole first name is what?
Paula Cole.
Paula?
Paula.
Paula, really? Okay. Paula.
This is the city of Detroit versus Taylor, Brianna Lewis. Case, no, strike that. This is the state of Michigan versus Taylor, Brianna Lewis, case number SX401-67461. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Judge. Attorney Kerry Mitchell, P42028 for Brianna Taylor Lewis.
Can you state your name for the record, Ms. Lewis, please?
Yes, Taylor Brianna Lewis.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. I got a trial date set for April the 25th, 2022 at 9 a.m.
1 second, Judge. Let me check that. April 25th, that's a good date.
April 25th.
April 25th, that's a Tuesday. That is a good date.
Okay, very well. April 25th, 2022 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, you and your client.
2022 or 2023?
Well, you know that.
I'm only messing with you.
2023. The thing, time goes by so fast.
Yeah.
We'll be in 2024 in a minute.
I know that's right.
So it's good to see you, Councilor Mitchell, and I will see you both back on April the 25th, 2023 at 9 a.m.
And I'm gonna I'll call Paula, and see what's going on with it prior to that date, Judge.
Very well. If there's nothing, both of you have a very good day. Good luck to you.
All right, have a good day.
All right, thank you. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Jake Garrett. Mr. Garrett, giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, he's not back out yet.
Yeah, Judge, he doesn't know how to, I was trying to instruct him, if you could help us with that, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Jake Garrett. Mr. Garrett, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Judge, he wants to waive his rights and accept the offer this time, Your Honor.
That's what you want to do, Mr. Garrett?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Where are you?
What?
Turn your camera on, sir.
Okay, can you see me, sir? Sorry.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Put your hand down, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Garrett, do you understand that the maximum possible penalty for this misdemeanor is 83 days in jail?
It's how many what?
The maximum possible penalty is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine.
I wasn't aware of the jail part.
You weren't aware of that?
Not the jail.
You didn't know that you can go to jail for driving without driving while your license is suspended. You didn't know that?
Oh no, I was confused. I'm sorry, sir. I'm a little slow. I'm not gonna be in the line to you or nothing. I'm a little bit slow, so I misunderstood what you were saying.
You're not that slow, are you? You knew when you got in the car that you could potentially go to jail if you got caught for driving a license suspended, didn't you?
Yes, sir, I know I was wrong. I'm not gonna lie on that. I know wrong is wrong. I'm not gonna say I'm not wrong. I'm not gonna sit here and lie.
No, I'm just saying you did it. So Mr. Garrett, I'm just maximum possible penalty. That's the maximum possible penalty for an offense like this I can impose on you. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay, and do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
All right. Do you understand? Did Mr. Warbling in the breakout room went over your other constitutional rights? Did he not?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand those rights?
Yes.
All right. Do you understand what's going on today, sir?
Excuse me, say it again, please. I'm sorry.
Do you understand what's going on today?
I mean, yes. Yes, Your Honor.
I'm going to make sure you understand what's going on. It's important for the court to know that you understand everything.
Okay. All right, sir.
And yes, you say you do understand?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Warbling, did you seem to have any difficulty? Did he have any difficulty understanding anything you were saying in the breakout room?
He did not, Judge. He seemed like he understood everything.
All right. And
I got help.
Say that again.
I had help.
Had help with who?
I was just to try to understand, really understanding what he was saying to me. I was asking. Huh?
Who helped you?
My fiance.
Let me speak to her, please.
Hello, Your Honor.
Good morning, ma'am. Can you state your name for the record, please?
It's Mia Joan Taylor.
Say that again.
Mia Joan Taylor.
Mia Joan Taylor?
Yes, sir.
Oh, good morning. Now, Mr. Garrett indicated that you had to help him.
Yes.
And what type of help did you provide?
I was telling him how to how the guy was explaining, just telling him like, okay, that's what we're gonna do, cause like just pay it all off, cause
I don't feel like I'm making the officers feel like they're no liar.
you know, just trying to let him better understand it, like what was going on with him, like telling him like that's a better deal, like just to pay it off all at once instead of.
Well, I'm not convinced that he knows really what's going on.
A little bit we do. We trying to.
No, I understand. Mr. Goss, are you there?
Judge, you want me to take some additional time with him? Again, Your Honor?
Take some additional time and make sure, you know, that he's able to competently assist in his own defense. All right.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Garrett, I want you to go back to the room. Mr. Warbling is your attorney, and it's Mr. Warbling's job to represent you and to make sure that everything you understand everything, that all your rights are protected, and that and that he advocates on your behalf. Okay, so you can have a confidential conversation with him. Okay, and you can let him know maybe some of the history about your disability, or if that's what you call it, let them know about those things, okay?
Yes, sir.
Rejoin the room, please.
Okay. Me. Help me out.
Mr. Rob Fox. You have to unmute yourself, sir.
Okay, I got it.
All right, Mr. Rob Fox, what is your name?
Robert Odell Lockett.
Sorry, Judge, I had to switch devices. Can I speak back to Mr. Pablo?
Yes.
Thank you.
Mr. Lockett, Mr. Butts. He was supposed to be here yesterday.
Oh, wow, Your Honor. I truly apologize. I thought it was today. I'm sorry.
Good morning, Officer Hill.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Let's get Mr. Green. Let's see Mr. Green. Good morning, Mr. Green. Good
morning, sir.
All right. Let's see what kind of documents you have.
I was. Yeah. What did
All right, let's just see what he's got, please. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Still no good, is it?
I made a sticky run oh yesterday, but I went.
This is still no good.
It is good.
7/29.
Yeah, I had run the old one. Other one yesterday, I made a mistake, sir.
2023. All right, Mr. Green, we'll dismiss the case, all right?
Thank you, sir.
Nothing. Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Have a blessed day.
Say that again.
Sorry for the interruption.
No interruption. We only have one lawyer today. Where's one lawyer today? Mr. Faulkner. Larry Darden here. Is Cornelius Green here. That was today, right? Yeah.
Cornelius Green.
Yeah. All right. Well, we're gonna have to wait. We only have one council today, so. Miss Osley. Cheryl
Yes,
Osley.
I'm here. I'm here, Cheryl Osley.
Yeah. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Judge.
Do you have, did we talked before, didn't we?
Well, my first meeting, I talked with a lawyer and she told me I would be speaking with someone today because I had said not guilty.
Do you have insurance for this vehicle?
I don't own the vehicle anymore. And I do have driver's license and I have insurance on the vehicle I'm driving now.
Let's see what kind of, let's see your insurance.
Oh, Lord, can you see that?
I don't know, you got the red room going on there. Back it up a little bit. Yeah, it's better out of that light. You slide it on over to your right. Okay, I see. I see. All right, slide it over to your left. 6,004. All right, I'm satisfied with that. Here's the deal, ma'am. You're charged with allowing unlicensed driver to drive. I'm gonna let the lawyer explain to you, especially my feelings on that charge. And then you can make a decision on what you want to do. Normally the penalty is $240. Will dismiss. It doesn't have any license repercussions or anything, and I'll dismiss the misdemeanor. But in this case, I can give you a trial date. Come back. You may do better. You won't do any worse, or it'll stay the same. Let's make one more court appearance and see if we can clear it up. You want to do that, ma'am, or what do you want to do?
Okay, I'll take the trial date.
All right. Let's just go ahead and City of Detroit versus Cheryl Renetta Osley, case number SP 135-6375, counts 1 and counts 2. State your name for the record, Ms. Osley.
Cheryl Renetta Osley.
Since it's a day and time for pre-trial, we're just going to set a trial date. We'll give you a date of April the 25th. Make sure you bring that insurance back again and have that ready. And we will see where this goes. I'll keep the offer open, ma'am, pleading to the, if it'll be the same offer as today, if everything is the same. You won't do any worse. You can only do better, or it'll stay the same, all right?
Okay, thank you, Judge.
All right, if there's nothing further, I'll see you back on April 25th, 2023 at 9 a.m.
Okay, thank you.
All right, have a great day, man.
You too. Oh, God.
Ms. Oliver, do you have a valid driver's license, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Run Mrs. Oliver's driver's license, please. Do you have valid registration for this vehicle?
I do. It was a company car that I was driving for my job, sir.
Did you get the registration from them?
Yes.
All right, let's do this. Let's go back on the record with Mr. He needs to come out the breakout room. I call Cheryl Osley, Mr. Warbling, and I just set the matter for trial.
Okay, understood, Judge.
Okay, let's go back on the record with Mr. Garrett. Mr. Garrett, I've given you again an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, are you satisfied with Mr. Garrett understanding, or do you need to speak with Mr. Goss?
Judge, I'm satisfied. He seems to understand what he's being charged with, the potential penalties, the purpose of the hearing, his rights, the potential penalties. He understands what his options are. He seems to feel that this is in his best interest to take advantage of this today.
Okay, is that true, Mr. Garrett?
Yes, sir.
Did he help you out any there, getting a better understanding of what's going on?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Very well. And you still want to go forward, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. So we were back. He went over all of your rights, your advice of rights, did he not?
Yes, sir, he did.
And you
Yes,
understood those rights?
Yes, I had a better understanding. Yes, sir.
Okay, and do you have any questions about
them? Well, I'm a little no, sir. No, sir.
Come on now, this is the time to speak up.
Okay, well, I want to know how much time do I have?
What do you mean time?
To take care of the problem.
Oh, we'll get to that. We'll get to that. You understand? Do you have any questions about the rights that he mentioned to you in the breakout room about having a trial right, giving up that trial right if you take this deal, being able to call witnesses?
Yes,
sir. You understood those?
Yes, sir. Thank you. Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions about any of those?
No, sir, Your Honor.
All right. And has anybody offered you anything other than what you said we will do today?
No, sir.
All right, let me draw your attention back to September the 7th, 2022 at around 8:17 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of McNichols and Beaverland Street, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
On Beaver? No, I was on Lasher. I was on Lasher. I was on Lasher Road, sir.
You weren't ever on 6 Mile in Beaverland?
Oh yes, no check cashing. Yeah, you're right. Yeah. I remember. Sorry, my mind just be so sorry. Yes, yeah, I remember.
All right. On that date and time, sir, do you ever recall being pulled over by the police?
Yes, sir.
Were you operating a 2006 Chevy?
Yes, sir. 2000, yes, sir.
And did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, sir, he did.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No, sir.
Why is that?
Listen, I don't have a valid driver's license, sir.
All right, very well. I'm going to find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display. What's going on with your license? Why can't you get a license?
Well, my reading and my, it's not too good, Your Honor. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm gonna be real honest. I'm a little slow, and my reading is not.
Listen. You know you can go to the Secretary of State, and you can let them know that, and they can provide you an alternative way to take the test. Did you know that, sir?
No, sir. I didn't know that. No, sir.
So you need to go to the Secretary of State and let them know that. And they can provide you an alternative way to get a valid driver's license.
Oh.
Where's Mr. Goss? Do you have any tickets in any other jurisdiction, sir? Do you have any tickets in any other cities around town?
No, sir. You're talking to Mr. Garrett?
Yeah.
No, sir. I don't.
I'm gonna find a good cause, counselor, to amend the ticket to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive.
Thank you, Judge.
And I'll dismiss that upon payment of the $240. What that's gonna do, sir, is that's gonna make you automatically eligible to get a valid driver's license, all right? And then you're gonna have to, will you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea, counselor?
We will, Judge.
All right, will you stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters?
So stipulated this time, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Garrett, you said you need some time to pay this matter, is that correct?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
All right, how much time do you need?
Probably the end of April.
The beginning of
Okay, beginning of May, you said?
I'm gonna give you 60 days.
Thank you, sir.
And what I want you to do is we're gonna sit there. Next week, after Wednesday, I want you to go to the Secretary of State and let them know that you want a driver's license and let them know of your disability, all right?
Yes, sir.
And they can provide an alternative way for you to get a driver's license, all right?
Yes, sir.
And when you come back, hopefully you have a valid driver's license and you had that money paid.
Yes, sir.
All right, anything further, sir?
No, sir.
All right, Ms. Taylor?
Yes.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
You're
Wish you the best of luck. Have a great day.
You too, sir.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, have a good day.
All right, we can leave.
Say that again, ma'am.
We can leave.
You can leave.
All right, thank you. Have a blessed day.
You have a better one. All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Alicia Simone Oliver, case number SB 1385645, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Judge Ben Werbling. This is a retained, is it, Judge?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, okay, sorry. Ben Werbling, P64889, on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Oliver, state your name for the record, please.
Elisa Simone Oliver.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Good morning to you, ma'am. Let's see that insurance you have. Slide it over for me, please. slide it back over again a little bit. All right, I'm gonna dismiss the matters for providing valid documentation. I have a valid driver's license for Ms. Oliver, and I'm satisfied with the insurance.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I thank you. If there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
You as well. Thank you.
Your Honor.
Yes, you know something, Mr. Goss? I was calling you about Garrett. I found good cause. He was had some mental disabilities, and he didn't know that he could get a driver's license because the breathing wasn't good. So I found a good cause to give him a allowing on that FTD. And I told him to go to get to the Secretary of State. So hopefully he comes back. Well, he's going to be back on April the 4th. And hopefully he comes back and he has a license by then. So I just wanted to see it on the record, but you hadn't responded. So.
All right, no problem. I agree with that, Your Honor.
All right, very good. All right. Randy Laquia. Give me the correct pronunciation of your last name. Is he here? He's here. Unmute yourself, please.
My bad, boss.
Give me the pronunciation of your last name.
Lanqua, Lanqua.
Very well. All right. You have some. You've taken some steps to pay some of that off.
I'm sorry, can you repeat that, boss? Sir.
Of the judge, sir. All right.
Sorry.
You've taken some steps to pay these matters. He paid that $288, and that was not advisable.
Nope. Just want to get the tickets out the way. I need to get my license back. I drive dump trucks and machines and everything. I run a whole crew.
You shouldn't be driving in it. You shouldn't be driving at all.
I know, but that's the only way I make my money. I don't work at no plant. I don't do
Hold
no.
on a second, sir. Hold on a second. Let's call the cases.
Yes, sir.
City of Detroit versus Randy Edward Lankwood Jr. Case number SP 1253577, count 1 and count 2. SP 5507551. SP 125508111. SP 125508112. Here for the rest.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Werbling, P64889, on behalf of the defendant.
State your name for the record, Mr. Lang.
Randy Lanqua. Edward Lanqua.
All right, I'm gonna set aside the defaults. He paid a no proof of insurance that went along with this. He's got payment plans in for other things in here. Let me see what this does. In 2021, he couldn't catch a break.
Not at all. Not at all. And I did get my license back on 1st, 8th, 22, but they resuspended them to the tickets that just came to the system. And I thought I paid all the tickets off. I came out like almost $1,000 last year in January. And they gave me my license back. Then they took them back from me once tickets in the system. And I thought I paid all the tickets off. So that's why all this new to me. I thought I paid everything. I think I had like 17 tickets or 23, something like that. I thought I paid them all off.
Here's what I'll do. Do you have another $350, sir?
I do, man, but I gotta pay the car note today.
Not your man.
I know. I'm sorry. No, Judge, I do, but I gotta pay my car note today.
Well, I'll give you some time to pay it.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Goss, are you there? Let's see if Mr. Goss will be a little more generous. I don't know. I can say now you seem to like to run red lights and fail to stop at stop signs. That's what they say.
Yeah, now I know the red light. I don't know nothing about, but the stop sign, I don't know if that was for my truck or my car. I was trying to remember what car it was for, but I did get pulled over.
1997 Dodge.
Yep, in my truck on Hubble. Yep, I got pulled over following behind my uncle. And
you ran the stop sign, sir?
Nope, he said that I didn't make a complete stop.
That's running the stop sign.
Yes, sir. He said I yield instead of stopping.
You take two counts of amended to blocking traffic. That'll be 0 points. It won't have any repercussions on your license. And we'll dismiss the other cases.
Yes, sir.
You want to, that's 175 apiece. That's 350.
Yes, sir.
You want to take that deal?
Yes, sir.
All right, will you stipulate to the face of the ticket on behalf of your, as an factual basis for responsible plea, counselor?
We so stipulate this time, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
So stipulate, Your Honor.
All right. What's that? 175 plus 175. When can you pay?
Next week, Friday area.
He's getting paid. All right, let's go with I'll give you 2 weeks.
That's fine too.
3/17/2023. We'll wait 48 to 72 hours, and then I will go approach the Secretary of State for a license. All right.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right, 175 times 2, March the 17th, 2023. There's nothing further, sir. Best of luck to you. Have a great day.
You too. Thank you, sir.
All right, what Mr. Johnson, what are you going to do with Pablo Pena?
Judge, we have to meet as well. If we could just get another pretrial date, I need Mr. Pena to look at his discovery. And he's going to be calling me back with a confirmed email address. He said he thought today was the actual court date.
City of Detroit versus Pablo Pena, case number SP-127-5604, counts 1 and counts 2. SP-127-5656, counts 1 and counts 2. SP-136-839-4, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please his honorable court, Vassal Johnson, P 72130, on behalf of Mr. Pena. He would be in the breakout room. I don't see him on here. He's on the phone. There he is.
Mr. Pena.
Yes, sir.
State your name for the record, please.
Pablo Peña.
And Judge, he gave me his new phone. He gave me his phone number that he uses today.
Okay, I'm glad that you got. Now, give me a date, Mr. Johnson. Well, we're gonna recall if there's any warrants. I don't know if there's any outstanding warrants. No. All right, so we didn't enter the warrants yet. So go ahead. Give me a date.
Let's do. Can we do 331?
331.
Yes.
23. I don't know what date that is, but
Friday.
sounds good. Sounds good. 8:30 a.m. Is that good, Dave?
It's a Friday.
Yeah. All right. Have a good day, Mr. Pena. I'm glad you guys got a chance to connect with Mr. Bassett Johnson was looking for you.
Okay, thank you, Judge, and sorry for the misunderstanding on the 3rd and the 2nd. I thought it was today.
All right. Have a
So
good day, sir.
331. Have a good day, Judge.
March 31st, yes. Mr. Goss there?
Yes.
Yes.
Where's Mr. Goss? I need Mr. Rob Fox. That's Rob. What's that? Lockett. Oh,
Yes,
he was
sir.
late.
Your Honor.
Okay. You're at work, sir?
Yes, I am.
All right, let's call the case. This is City of Detroit versus Robert Odell Lockett, SP 1300991, SP 1301261. Appearance for the record, please.
Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
Okay, Mr. Lockett, state your name for the record, please.
Robert Odell Lockett Sr.
All right, today we're called the date and time. Let's just set a trial date in this matter.
Yes, Judge.
He missed yesterday. I don't know what it was set for.
And Your Honor, I also have from what I understand, the tickets are being sent to my old address. I have a new address.
All right, hold on a second. Let's see. Set for a pre-trial yesterday. We're gonna set a trial date, May 25th, 2023 at 9 a.m. Go ahead with your new address, sir.
It's 25556 Shiawassee, Southfield, Michigan, 48033, apartment 561.
48033. Apartment what?
561.
All right, now, only time I know how to spell Shiawassee is when I pass it.
Okay, I can spell it for you.
All right, go ahead.
SHIAWASSEE.
SHIAWASSEE.
Yes, sir.
SHIAWASSEE.
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm gonna commit that to memory. All right, if there's nothing further, come back April the 25th, 2023 at 9 a.m., okay?
Thank you kindly, Your Honor.
All right, very well.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Did you ever talk to Mr. Goss about Gibson?
I did not have an opportunity to have that discussion, Judge. I could send him a text.
You need to get him back in here.
Okay.
That way he has the revoke that he's trying to go to the he claims that he's trying to go to the hearing. He also claims that he had sent some documentation into them. There's no way for me to confirm that, but that's what I thought he was gonna do when we last saw him. And then Benita Antonio Lindsay. Where's Lindsay? Antonio Lindsay, Lamita Lindsay. All right, they're gone. Officer Akins, Corporal Akins, good morning to you.
Good morning.
You know you missed the cut, right?
Did I? Okay.
Who
Okay.
you have?
I have
Lewis, Christopher Lewis.
yeah, I'm here on Christopher Lewis. I'm in another courtroom right now. I'm sorry.
Yeah, that was a 9:30. So,
Okay. Well, I've been in the weight room for a while, but I'm on another device. I'm just trying to use two devices right now.
I can still let you speak with the officer, I mean, with Mr. Goss. I could put you in a breakout room, but you know my policy.
Yes, I do.
Good morning to you too.
Good morning.
I'll let you speak with Mr. Goss.
Okay.
All right. On the iPhone, I just let in the room. What's your name, please?
Devontae Carter.
Devontae Carter.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
Good
I
morning.
don't know if you're in the right room or not. Spell the name, C-A-R-T-E-R.
Yes. First name Davonte.
D-A-V-O-N-T-E. Devontae Eugene Carter.
No, Devontae Charles Carter.
Devontae Charles Carter.
Yes, sir.
You're next door at 435. That's Kenyatta Stanford Jones next door, isn't she? You got a Zoom 313-435. 0000. You dial 313-434.
315.
435. Write it down, sir.
Okay.
360-435-0000. That's the Zoom ID.
Okay, I got it.
Have a good day, sir.
Thank you.
Right. Let's Lamente Lindsay.
Yes.
All right. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right. Let's call the cases.
What? Oh, shit. Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yeah, who's that?
Kenneth Loud. I am scheduled to court with you today. You know.
Yeah, I mean, a lot of people are scheduled for court today. Yeah, you're scheduled.
Oh, okay, I just have to make sure. Thank you.
Good morning to you, Mr. Law. I thought we already introduced ourselves. I thought we already did the good mornings and stuff.
Oh, okay.
Did we not? Did we
Yeah,
not?
yeah, yeah.
You just wanted to jump the line, huh?
No.
All right, let's see. I would want to jump the line over Mr. Lindsay. He's got a lot of stuff. 32, 35, 32, 35. City of Detroit. And what is that? Lamente Lindsay?
Lamonte, yeah.
Say that again.
Lamonte Lindsay.
Lamonte, is it Anthony or Antonio?
Antonio.
All right, this is City of Detroit versus Lamonte Antonio Lindsay. Case number SP 105 strike that. SP 105-01811, SP 108-1523, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 108-2232, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 108-22731, SP 1384418, counts 1, 2, and 3. U 33144-916. (19465091), 19513827. Appearance for the record, please.
Glenn Wing, P 64889 on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
State your name for the record, sir.
Lamati Lindsay.
All right, today is the date and time set for, well, we've got some warrants, so arraignment on the warrants, Councilman.
Judge, for purposes of arraignment, we'll stand mute. We'll wait for a reading at this time.
All right, we'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You can wait, Mr. Lindsay, so I can get you an offer, or you can come back on a trial date and we'll figure it all out on that date. Which one would you like to do?
Wait.
Let's pass the matter, get Mr. Goss in here. See if we can get Mr. Lindsay an offer.
Yes, Your Honor.
I don't know about this disorderly conduct. Don't say anything, sir. I'm talking to your counselor. I don't have an actual ticket here. So I don't know if Mr. Goss is gonna want to see what that allegation is all about or not. If they have a ticket still, I don't know. Oh, I do have a ticket. I do have a ticket. EWAP ticket. Pled guilty a long time ago. Never took care of it. All right, we'll pass the matter. We'll get an offer. What about these trials? Is Mr. Goss giving you any information on what these trials are going to go?
No.
He has not made me aware at this time, Judge.
Sergio Garibaldi.
Yes, I'm here.
Right. Where is I saw his name on the list.
Who was it again, Judge?
Sergio Garibaldi.
And 9 o'clock trial.
Okay, trial. All right. I don't see an officer here. Lockett just took care of Robert Rodell Lockett.
Sergio Gonzalez. Sergio Gonzalez.
Yes. All right.
Yes.
Call the case. This is the city of Detroit versus Sergio Garibaldi Gonzalez, case number SP 1190298 in the state of Michigan versus Sergio Garibaldi Gonzalez, case number SX 4100969, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
And Werbling P64889 on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Garibaldi, Mr. Gonzalez, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Sergio Garibaldi Gonzalez.
Okay, today is the date and time set for a trial. I don't have Mr. Officer Vargas, Juan Vargas, or Tyler Tappan have not checked in, and I don't see them in the breakout room. So go ahead, Councilman.
Judge, for those reasons and given the time, and this is a bench trial date, we'd move to dismiss, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to grant the motion to dismiss. I'll waive the current fee. Case is going to be closed out, sir. Good luck to you.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
On that phone, 313-683-3417, did they leave? Seems like they left. That gets me down to Dion Gray.
Yeah, I'm here, Judge.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Excuse me, Your Honor, am I good to leave?
Yeah, Sergio Gonzalez.
Yes.
Who's that? Yeah, you're free to leave.
All right, thank you.
Good luck to you, sir.
Am I visible?
You as well.
Excuse me, am I visible?
Who? Yeah, Gavon?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're visible.
Okay, thank you. Sorry to interrupt.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Dion. Juwan Gray, case number SP 133-881, 1 counts 2, SP 133-88521. Appearance for the record, please.
And Werbling P64889 on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
All right, state your name for the record, Mr. Gray.
Dion Juwan Gray.
All right, do you have a valid driver's license, sir?
No, not yet.
All right, you have this 2016 to 20 over. Typically, Mr. Goss wants you to take a defensive driving course. I'm setting aside the defaults.
Thank you, Judge.
He wants you to take a defensive driving course to mitigate that, maybe give you offer you an offense that's less than the 4 points that has. Are you willing to take that course, sir?
Yeah, I sure am.
All right, that's put in the chat. All right, you see it in the chat, sir, the course?
Yeah, I do.
I'm going to give you some time to take the course. What's preventing you from getting valid?
I had tickets out of the state of Florida, and I had 3. And when I paid those off, I asked them to check and see if I had any more, which I did. I had 3 warnings that turned into tickets once I got the previous tickets. So it just set me back a little bit.
So, are you eligible for a license now?
Not yet. I still have to pay 2 of the last 3 tickets off.
Will you have a license by April the 4th, 2023? It's next month.
If I could get a little more time.
I'll give you till May the 4th, 2023. That's 60 days.
Oh, yeah, I definitely
Yeah.
And bring
I
that
definitely-
certificate, take that screenshot of that in the chat where the class is, email me the certificate ahead of time, bring a valid driver's license and insurance. You should come out here with a decent offer.
All right, I appreciate it, Judge.
All right, have a good day, sir. Good luck to you. May the 4th, 2030 is the next court date. Is
The
this,
May the 4th?
Yes. Is this Officer Alexander?
Hey, how you doing, sir?
Put you in the breakout room. Good morning. He's been here earlier, so. I mean, let me ask you this. What time did you show up?
I was having some problems with my mic, so I was in and out trying to get this mic together.
What's the time that you showed up, officer?
It was like 9:45.
All right, he missed the cut anyway. I'll still put you in the breakout room, him and Akins missed the cut. I closed the window at 9:30. I give a half-hour grace period. I'll still allow you to speak with counsel when he gets there, but that's the policy.
Okay.
All right. On the iPhone, can you unmute yourself, please? Gentlemen, just turn this camera on the iPhone.
Mr. Lewis?
No.
Oh, not Lewis? Okay.
No, you might be on an iPhone, but I'm not talking to you. We've already spoken.
You talking to Mr. Larkin?
Maybe I'm gonna try to do this.
Yeah.
I just asked that person to unmute.
Hello? Me?
What's your name, sir?
Mr. Lathan?
Mr. Lyles, if you interrupt one more time.
No, I thought you were talking to me, Your Honor. I'm sorry about that.
You can be, because I would have said Mr. Lyles if I was talking to you. We already did this. This is the third time. All right, who on that iPhone?
I'm on an iPhone, Your Honor. Is it me, DeMar Gresham?
No, the person I just asked to unmute themselves, and they unmuted themselves.
DeMar
Larkin?
All right, the person does not want to say anything. So.
Hello?
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor, I hear you. My phone was muted.
What's your name?
Mr. Lathan, Karan Lathan.
Good morning to you.
You hear?
Latham?
Lathan, Lathan.
All right. Quran. All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Quran, Austin, the millionaire Latham.
Yes.
And then he's got some other cases too. Case number SP 104-02553, counts 1, 2, and 3. Oh, Mr. Goss. And then let's also call, he's got the millionaire last name.
No, that's my next meeting.
Let's also call the city of Detroit versus Latham Quran, the millionaire. Case numbers SP 1367308, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1367352, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Ben Warbling, P64889, on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
State your name for the record, Mr. What is it? Is it Latham, Mr. Latham, state your name for the record, please.
Quran, Austin, the millionaire later.
All right, today is the date and time set for, let's arraign them on the warrant, Counselor.
Judge, for arraignment purposes, we'll stay mute. We'll waive formal reading at this time, Your Honor.
All right, we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. He's got 18,476,5,721. No, oh, he must have already entered into an agreement on that ticket, and see, looks like he paid that ticket. So that 18,476,5,721 ticket, we are going to close that out. That will be closed out under no loss. So he's got unregistered, untitled, license improper, no insurance misdemeanor, and under the millionaire last name, he's got driver's license never acquired, improper plates, no valid registration, insurance misdemeanor, and an accident ticket.
I had, Your Honor, I had just got the car and it was like
I
the
don't care
the
what
bumper.
you did. I don't it doesn't, that doesn't matter if you just got the car. If you don't have, it only would matter if you just got the car on an unregistered, untitled, if you're taking it home. But the no.
That's why I was taking.
Listen to me. The no proof of insurance is you have to have insurance on your vehicle before you put it on the road.
Yeah, I had bought it from off of the streets. It wasn't off a lot. It was off of my.
So you can call and put it on. You can call and put the insurance when you buy it off the streets.
I didn't do that. So, Your Honor.
Huh?
I said that's something I didn't do, Your Honor.
Well, you're telling on yourself now.
I mean, not really.
You have a right. You have a right to remain silent, sir.
You're right.
You have a right to remain silent, and now you're telling on yourself. You got to learn the game. You don't know what the procedure is here. That's why you have Mr. Warbling to speak to about those things before you start talking. You want to offer, or you want to set it for a trial date, sir?
Offer.
All right, we'll set it for offer. All right, let's pass that matter. I'm going to get Mr. Goss back in here. Now, I do have an offer for Lindsay. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lindsay. Mr. Lindsay, your offer is going to be pleading to 1 count of improper plate, $240. You there, Mr. Lindsay?
Yeah, I hear you. I'm here, Your Honor.
All right, 1 count of improper plate, $240. Let me see, did I already say you entered into you already pled on this U ticket. No fines and costs. You were supposed to get 30 days workforce, 2 days credit, and then that was never completed. So $240 for the U ticket. 2 counts of failure to display. So it's 2 counts of improper plate, $240 each count. 2 counts of failure to display, $240 each count, and 1 count of the U ticket that you already pled to, $240 for that. All right, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Willie, and you speak to him. You have an absolute right to a trial, sir. I don't know if you can do better at trial or not, but that's gonna be up to you and your counsel, all right?
Okay. And I got it in the courtesy house. Remember you told me about school? I got like a couple more credits in the next court day. I should be able to show you that.
School?
Yeah, remember you told me about that?
Mr. DeMilliere, I set yours aside. I'm gonna get you an offer. I'm talking to Mr. Lindsay now.
Okay. I'm sorry. My bad.
How do I get to the breakout room?
You see?
Okay, yeah, okay. All right, thanks.
All right, we'll pass that. Hold on, Mr. DeMilliere. I'm gonna get you Mr. Goss to get you an offer first.
Okay.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Larry Darden III. Case number U64776422. Appearance for the record. State your name for the record, please, Mr. Darden. Mr. Darden. What happened to him? Oh, he hasn't connected. Can we find out if he took his classes and stuff? Yeah. I don't know if he went through the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center or not. Call Mr. Phillips, let's see.
All right. Judge wanted to know if you know about Larry Darden III.
All right.
No.
Mr. Lawrence, do you have valid registration insurance? Pauletta Lawrence?
Yes, good morning.
Do you have valid registration and insurance?
Yes.
No, it's D.
All right, Officer Hill.
Yes, Your Honor.
Morning to you. This is the city of Detroit versus Pauletta Michelle Lawrence. Case number SP1408625, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please. State your name. Well, put your appearance on the record, Officer Hill. Corporal.
Yes, Officer Hill, badge 4598, City of Detroit, Michigan, 10th precinct.
All right, Ms. Lawrence, can you state your name for the record, please?
Pauletta Michelle Lawrence.
Okay, Ms. Lawrence indicated that she has proper documentation now. Let's see what you have, Ms. Lawrence.
Okay.
Thank you. Thanks.
How do you plan on showing it to us?
Oh, I'm sorry. I already sent you my information on the chat. Sorry. I sent you into the chat. I don't have my plate yet, but I do have my insurance.
Well, you don't have to. I just asked you, did you have your plates and registration?
Yes, no, I'm sorry. My headphones. Yes, I don't have my plate, but I do have my insurance.
And
my
I don't
title.
see the insurance in the chat.
I sent it to you this morning. To your Gmail.
From my email?
I mean your email, yes.
And what did you send that on?
This morning.
What name did you send it under?
Paula Lawrence 245@gmail.com.
All right, I did get an email address from you, but I don't have, it doesn't have anything here.
Go check it out.
May I resend it to you?
I have a title. I got a couple of email addresses from you. I got a snapshot. Let's see what this is. I got a snapshot that I can't see of insurance. Did you say? Okay, I'll pull it up. You have insurance on this Chevy Monte Carlo. July the 11th is the expiration date.
Yes.
Is that what you're talking about?
Yes.
What do you want to do, Mr. Hill, Officer Hill? I got valid insurance on a vehicle.
But that'd be your call if you want to dismiss it. We was dismissing the insurance and the unregistered motor vehicle anyway, and charging her with improper plates. But if you feel that she's got it together, we can let it go.
Well, she's almost there. She got the most important component. When are you going to the Secretary of State, ma'am?
Soon as possible when I get some more money.
You're gonna be driving this car with these plates messed up too.
Oh no, I'm no. I'm not going to car with the plate like that, no.
That's what they all say, right?
No, I actually don't have the car right now. I'm getting another vehicle. So before I get another vehicle, I'm going to get my plate.
All right, I'm gonna dismiss the case this time, ma'am, for providing valid documentation, all right?
Okay, thank you so much.
Corporal Hill knew I was gonna do that. All right.
All right, thank you. Bye, y'all.
Have a great day.
You too as well.
All right. All right.
Good.
Corporal Hill, you have a good day.
Thank you, Andy. You do as well.
Be safe out there, all right?
All right.
All right, be safe, Phil.
Darden, hold on one second. Darden, did you do the tests and stuff like that?
Yes, I did everything. I emailed you everything you needed. My email address is larrydarden0009@gmail.com.
That's this
But I'm
talking.
but I'm sorry. My internet was messing up. I had joined off the laptop. It was skipping, so I called back off my phone.
All right, I don't have anything in your email address. Who's that?
Is that in your room? I don't think so. We don't know.
All right, did you submit this to probation, Mr. Darden? All right, we're gonna have to get you to resubmit those documents. All right, go ahead, Mr. Goss.
Your Honor, is Jade Lee here?
Is Jade Lee here? No, I don't think so.
Okay. And what about Christopher Lewis?
He's here.
Okay.
Then we have,
I am here. I've been here since 9 o'clock.
where's Jay Lee? Oh, Jay, yeah, Jay's iPhone is here.
I've been here
Jay-
since 9 o'clock this morning.
Jay Lee is here.
Okay, Your Honor, for the officers that did appear, I'm just going to have her do a blockading on Officer Presley's case, the last one. And
Officer
dismiss
Presley,
the,
that's the speeding ticket?
yes, Your Honor. Officer Presley is happy that she has taken care of her, business. And the same thing with
All right, let's call the case.
Sergeant Lionel.
Let's call the case. And you can get the officers out the breakout room. Instead of us talking about it, we can just get it done.
Do I need to turn my video on?
Yes, please. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus J. John Quell Lee, case numbers SP 108, 1235, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 108, 12521. SP 127, 1202, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 127-27341, SP 129-72661, SP 129-72671, SP 132-1174, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 132-12371, SP 134-2516, counts 1, 2, SP 1379621, counts 1, counts 2, appearance for the record, please.
Judge Ben Worthing, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
Mr. Goss, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Dante Goss on behalf of the people.
Officer Presley, can you, good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Presley, badge 3973, Detroit Police Department.
And Your Honor, also Sergeant Lionel did appear in this matter. And Your Honor, at this time, the people are moving to for Ms. Lee to plead to the 11 to 15 speeding, amended to blockading traffic, and dismissing the other matters that the officers did appear on.
I don't remember.
All right, as for SP 108, 1235, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 108, 12521. Officer Nathan Gianni. Want to make a motion on those tickets, Council?
Judge, we'll move to dismiss failure of the officers to appear, Judge.
All right, I'm going to grant that motion to dismiss. No officer. As for SP 1271202, Hearn, Officer Justin Hearn. Go ahead, Counselor.
Judge, we are moving to dismiss for the failure of that officer to appear, Your Honor.
And SP 127-7341, same officer. I'll grant a motion on all those. All right, Officer Maurice Alexander was here, but he came in late. Where is he? He wants to put his appearance on the record, Counselor? Well, you want to make a motion on those, Counselor?
Judge, similar motion to move to dismiss at this time due to a failure to appear.
Officer was here. I'm marking it that he appeared, but he was late. That's SP 129-72661 and SP 129-72671. SP 132-1174 counts 1, 2, and 3. Same motion. I'll grant the same motion. That goes with SP 132-12371 as well. All right, for the SP 137-96212, where your client stipulates the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, with that, I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. What? Can you believe it?
Ma'am, you understand that's 0 points. It does not show up on your driving record. You had
I don't even
17
know what y'all
cases.
talking
You had
about. Can
17
y'all,
cases up today, ma'am.
where, I'm trying to figure out when did I get this ticket for blocking traffic?
Well, it was originally the 11 to 15 miles per hour over the speed limit.
What year did I get this
Let's
ticket?
see.
It was August 12th, 2022.
You want to talk to your client in the breakout room?
Please.
Okay.
She's working about blocking traffic and they've given her the red carpet deal.
Is it a possible misidentity, Officer Presley, or not from
No,
your part?
no.
Because I don't remember getting no ticket of blocking traffic ever.
It's
Get a
ma'am.
ticket of blocking traffic, man. You got a ticket going 11 to 15 over the speed limit. And the officer was willing to reduce it to save you some points on your driver's license to blocking traffic and $175. And they're also dismissing 16 other tickets. So speak to her in a breakout room.
Yes, Judge.
Please.
Come with 16, 17 tickets and concerned about $175 blocking traffic.
All right. I have one question.
Go ahead, ask the lawyer. Join the room. All right, she's not gonna get that deal. So she messed that up.
Judge,
Yes,
can you drop your email back in the chat?
certainly.
So I believe I emailed the stuff to the right email.
All right.
Yes, this is the right email.
Hold on, was Farmer your probation officer?
Yes, he was.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Larry Darden. Mr. Farmer, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Derek Farmer on behalf of probation, Your Honor.
All right, good morning to you, Officer Farmer. He's paid his money. I just need to know if he's completed his class, taken the testing. Did he give you documentation of that?
No, I have not received proof of the classes, Your Honor.
Okay, he's sending me, he indicated that
I
he had.
emailed him.
Yeah, email it to me. Email it to
I
me.
emailed it to both of y'all.
Very well. All right, we'll pass it until we've received the email. Ms. Hernandez?
Hear me?
Yeah, I don't know if you can see if the person showed up.
Oh, Your Honor, it is showing in my email.
It is, you're satisfied with it, Officer Farmer?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, at this time, I'm gonna close the case out under disorderly conduct, sir. If there's nothing further to you, have a great day and good luck to you, Mr. Gardner.
Thank you, Your
I
Honor.
appreciate it.
You as well, Officer Farmer. If you can call out the client's name, Ms. Hernandez, if they're in here.
I don't have his
Was that us? Was that Hector Olivos Zayas?
interpreter for him. I don't know his name.
You're free to leave if you choose, Ms. Hernandez. I will mark you as being here all morning.
I appreciate it.
All right, have a very good weekend, and I will see you. Maybe will I see you on Wednesday?
Let me see next one.
All right, I'll see you Wednesday.
The 15th and 22nd, I'm with you.
Very well.
Thank you.
Right. You have a good one. Have a great weekend.
Thank you. You too. Bye-bye, Mr. Goss.
Mr. Gavon gets the benefit of time. Gets the benefit of time. You know what I mean by that, Mr. Gavon?
Kind of, sir.
Let's wait till the lawyer comes back and we'll get you out of here.
Thank you, sir.
Larkin, let's see what Larkin is. Is that William David Larkin Jr.?
Yes, Your Honor.
Who was on the iPhone Pro 13 Pro? And Christopher Lewis. And then Lyles.
Hey,
That's where I'm gonna go. Is Larkin's on the dock? Larkins is not on the docket. What brings you in here, Mr. Larkins?
I was scheduled for court today. I just had a court not too long ago, and they had pushed it back to March 3rd, which would have been today at 8:30 a.m. I actually, this the second or third time it would have been pushed back. So this the third time they've been pushed back, and today March 3rd would have been.
William Larkin?
Yes. Larkin Jr.
Larkin, William David Larkin Jr.
Yes, without the S.
It wasn't set for today. It was you missed the bus too. It was yesterday. But this says
I got it. I even wrote it on. I said, okay, I'm gonna say March 3rd, 8:30 a.m.
All right, I'm not giving this. She's not getting the benefit of this deal with telling somebody that they talk too much. I'm gonna show you talking too much. All right, so we're gonna pass this matter until we get Officer Maurice back. Mr. Goss, because of Miss Miss Lee's comments that she made before she went in the breakout room, we're not going to. Is she gone?
She's still in the breakout room, Your Honor. I didn't ask her to come out just yet.
All right. Well, because of the comment she made telling me I talk too much, she's not going to get that deal. We're going to get Mr. Officer Maurice Alexander back in here. So let's go to Gavon.
Your Honor, Officer Presley, can you go back to the breakout room?
This is.
I need a invitation back.
Okay, I'll get you.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Hey, Your Honors, I'm still waiting on the pre-order for
Who was that? Lamont?
this Quran later.
Latham?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, everybody's waiting. We gotta get you. I gotta get an offer. Now, what about Mr. Lindsay? He's got an offer. Did you talk to Mr. Lindsay, Mr. Warbling?
No, I've not, Judge.
All right, let's call. This is City of Detroit versus Carlos Lamont Gavon, case number 051927771. I believe it's the state of Michigan versus Carlos Lamont Gavon. Appearance for the record, please.
And Warbling P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
Mr. John, can you state your name for the record, please?
Carlos Gavon.
Gavon, I'm sorry. Today is the date not set for a trial in the matter. I don't have an original ticket. I only have ROAs. This is a ticket that dates back, probably, 17 years. And, I don't even have an officer's name. So, you want to make a motion, Counselor?
Yeah, I only got the
Judge,
little.
Judge, for procedural due process and the age and for due process reasons, we're moving to dismiss, Judge. And I don't know if an officer showed up on this and for that reason as well.
No officer showed. I'm gonna dismiss the case, no officer. If there's nothing further, Mr. Gavan, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Your Honor, I just sent you a chat if you could just look at it.
Was that to me, Miss Law?
No, no, to Your Honor. Your Honor, that's what I
Oh, I'm
believe.
sorry.
That's what I thought I saw, but
Ms. Williams Law is saving,
I saw it. It was a couple times, and I saw it on another.
Who said it?
I was the iPhone device whispering, just giving a comment to about.
iPhone that we don't have a name for?
That's correct. They were
Gentlemen, with the hat on, I think that's, take your hat off, please.
Oh, that's me. That was
Millionaire.
Yeah, that was me. Talk to
And
someone.
you said I talk too much?
No, not you. I never was talking about you. I don't even know how my phone still not muted. It wasn't talking to you.
They were commenting regarding the case, not you regarding, I believe.
Yeah, it wasn't. It was the background.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Kenneth Demetrius Lyles, case number SP 1358118, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Ben Worthing, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
Go ahead, Mr. Lyles, state your name for the record, please.
Kenneth Demetrius Lyles.
Do you have a valid driver's license, registration, and insurance, Mr. Lyles?
Yeah, I had took my driver's test and passed.
Run his driver's license, please. You passed it?
Yes.
What about registration and insurance?
No, I don't have a vehicle yet. I just got my driver's license.
Mr. Goss, are you there?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Dante Goss on behalf of the people.
All right, Mr. Lyles, is it valid?
Yes.
All right, Mr. Lyles got a valid driver's license. He's got no registration and no insurance on it, both misdemeanors.
We could dismiss, Your Honor, due to the fact he said that he doesn't have a vehicle at this time, and he came in here with a valid driver's license, which is our main goal, is for people to drive a valid driver's license. So I have no problem with dismissing, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Lyles, you get a break this time. Have to go and dismiss the case. You got a valid license. Good luck to you. Have a great day. All right.
All right, thank you.
All right, let's move on to. I'll bring Miss Jade back out. Miss Lee.
Judge, can I talk to her privately? One.
No, we'll
real
bring
quick,
her back
just-
out.
just
I'll give her the deal.
How you get out of there?
I'll give her the
All right.
deal.
All right, you're right. No problem. I just want to show her something.
Miss
I'll come
Williams,
right back.
Miss Williams, no, go ahead. You want to talk to her? Go ahead.
Yes, I do, Judge. Thanks. Thank you, Judge.
All right, we're gonna go back on the record with Ms. Lee. Officer Presley,
Yes, Your Honor. Officer Presley, badge 3973.
I've calmed down and I got over it. And plus, Ms. Williams law saved her and said that it wasn't her. So I'm over it. Lynham did come, didn't Lynham did. Now, Mr. Goss, I have an offer for Lindsay. I'm gonna get Lindsay out of here. And Mr. Goss, are you there?
Yes, Your Honor.
I need an offer for the millionaire. They call me the billionaire. I need an offer for the millionaire. You remember that, don't you, Mr. The Millionaire?
Yeah.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Jade Lee. Ms. Lee, do you understand what's going on now?
Yes, I do. I fully understand.
All right. I don't think you quite get it too much.
I do get it. I wasn't trying to give you a hard time. I just couldn't quite go back that far, but in the breakout room, I understand now. I apologize.
Yeah, I can understand why you couldn't go back that far because you got all these tickets.
I apologize for the misunderstanding.
All right. Will you want to take the blocking traffic, ma'am, and pay the $175?
Yes.
When can you pay it?
I need
Today.
a minute. I can't.
Today.
I need, huh?
Today.
I can't pay it today. I'm in the middle of moving, sir.
Pay it off by April the 4th.
I can pay it off by April 4th.
If you don't pay it, you're gonna mess that good driver's license up.
I'm not gonna mess it up. I can't get on a payment plan.
You can get on the payment plan with the court now. You call in the court down there, they'll put you on a payment plan downstairs.
Okay, thank you.
All right, have a good day, man. Good luck to you.
You too.
Thank
And that's
you.
the only thing I need to worry about now.
Everything else is dismissed. You need to thank Officer Presley for that too, and Mr. Goss.
Thank you so much.
And Mr. Wood.
Thank you so much.
All right, have a great day, man.
You too. Bye-bye.
Officer Presley, if there's nothing further, you go ahead and have a very good day.
Nope, that's it, Your Honor. Thank you. Have a good weekend.
All right, you have a better one.
Thank
All
you.
right,
Appreciate it.
Mr. Lindsay, I told you Mr. Lindsay's offer here, Mr. Warbling, is pleading to the pleading to 2 counts of improper plates, 2 counts of failure to display, and paying that $240 for that disorderly conduct ticket that he had a couple of years ago. He has an absolute right to trial. Mr. Lindsay, join the breakout room and speak to Mr. Warbling. Read him his advice and rights if he wants to take the deal. If he wants to go to trial, I'll give him a trial date now.
I did speak with him, Judge, at length, actually, and he understands the difference between a jury trial and a bench trial. He's requesting a bench trial. And he understands he owes the money on the adjudicated case, but.
All right, very good. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lindsay. Everybody's going to be happy with Mr. Lindsay because he's going to save an awful lot of time just going to trial today. So, Mr. Lindsay, is that what you want to do? I give you the opportunity to speak with Mr. Warbling in the breakout room?
Yes.
All right, we're going to set the matter for a trial on April the 24th, 2023 at 9 a.m. All right, sir?
Okay, no problem.
If there's nothing further, have a very good day.
Okay, thank you.
All right. What's going on?
Thank you, Judge.
Yeah, very well. Given? Yeah. What's going on with Christopher Lewis? He's got all right, let's see. Given. I don't see Given. Oh, Devon, yeah, we got him out of here. Is he on the screen still?
Yes, sir. I'm right.
No, I know. I see you.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
All right, let's go with Larkin. We need Larkin's file. This is the city of Detroit and the state of Michigan versus William David Larkin. Case number SP 1388697, counts 1 and counts 2. SX 396032, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Ben Warbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
All right, he was supposed to be here yesterday, so let's just set a trial date for him as well. He's got state matters. I don't have a state prosecutor to give him an offer, and he may do better on the date of trial. You understand that, sir?
Yes.
All right. I'm gonna give him the April. I need some more trial dates, please. I'm gonna give you the same trial date, April the 4th, 2020. I mean, strike that, April 25th, 2023 at 9 a.m. What's gonna take you to get a valid driver's license?
Well, now, really, now I can get a vehicle. At the time, I just didn't have the vehicle to take.
No, you don't need a vehicle to get a license.
That's about it.
You don't need a vehicle to get a license. You need
Well,
to get a
nothing
license.
now besides, right? Well, I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Go get a permit. Go get some kind of license or something before you come back. All right.
Okay. Yes, I was currently about to get some money to go down to the Secretary of State and handle that.
All right. Go. You got till April the 25th. We'll see you back on that day.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Judge.
Lindsay.
Yeah.
Back.
Can I get that date again? I made a mistake.
April the 25th, 2023.
All right. At what time?
At 9 a.m.
April 25th. All right, thanks.
Gibson's been waiting a long time.
You got that right, Gibson here.
Mr. Lear.
Deal must be for last.
You say what?
I said the best deal must be for the last.
I don't know. We'll see.
I need Mr. Lincoln's ticket for the accident. Like I said, he's going on the accident.
I don't have the original ticket for Mr. Lincoln. It's not in there anymore. He's got 2 files. He's got the Millionaire and Lake. That's his last name. Here, Gibson needs an officer. He's got the driver's license revoked. He indicated to the court. Let's go back on the record with Manuel Christopher Gibson.
Manuel Christopher Gibson on the record.
He was here a while ago, and I told him to bring some information about that driver. He said he was submitting a packet to the Secretary of State. He indicated that he submitted that packet. There's no way for me to verify that though. But he's got the driver while license revoked and no insurance.
And it's scheduled for a trial today?
No, it's scheduled for a pre-trial. He's supposed to bring that information back to show that he has information. Grisham. Well, let's see. What do you have, sir, to tell us that you've gone to this, that you've submitted this package that you say?
I just said we're back and forth with the attorney in the chat. I just sent it to your Sean Perkins email that he sent, that he posted. Manuel Gibson at 84@gmail.com.
You sent it to my email address?
Yes, it's Sean Perkins at 36th District.
Sean.Perkins.
Sean John?
Sean period Perkins.
Oh, yes. I think I put the period in there, yes.
I don't have anything from you. At least I don't see. Gibson.
Okay.
I don't have anything from Gibson. I will pass the matter until we get something. I'll put the email address back in the chat for you to make sure you have it correct.
Yeah, and
correct.
I'll resend it. Yes, I'll resend it.
And the civil infractions not in here.
All right. Grisham, do you have valid registration and insurance, sir?
Yes, I do.
Good morning to you.
Good morning to you.
So what's gonna be Mr. Lewis's office?
Oh, I got an office up there. Yeah, she's pulling that for me, so let me go.
It's the city of Detroit versus DeMar Trevon Grisham, case number S1386080, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
And Warbling P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
State your name for the record, Mr. Griffin.
DeMar Trayvon Gresham.
Gresham. Can you provide that information, the registration and insurance, sir?
Yes, I can.
All right, that is.
Word.
If you have a background on, we're not going to be able to see it. You're going to have to turn your background off. All right, let's see what we have here. Chrysler, one, okay. See the insurance, please. All right. I'm satisfied. I'm going to dismiss the cases for providing valid documentation. Nothing further, Mr. Grisham. Have a good day. Good luck to you.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
My phone.
That's Mr. Lewis. What's going on, Mr. Lewis?
I'm all right. What's going today?
I'm very well. I'm trying to get you an offer.
Okay.
All right, who do we have next? So we got Jamillionaire. Okay, we have Gibson, Lewis, and Oliver. Maya Oliver. Maya Ashley Oliver. Supposed to be here yesterday too. Everybody's late. Day late, dollar short. City of Detroit versus Maya Ashley Oliver, case number SP1378985, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Warbling on behalf of the defendant, P64889.
You have a valid driver's license, ma'am?
I don't have a valid driver's license as of now,
Okay.
but the day of this ticket, I was not driving, or that vehicle was not even mine. That was my sister's vehicle. I just happened to come out and the officer was back there.
Stop, please. You said enough. I don't want you to say any more that you incriminate yourself, all right? She indicated that she wasn't driving, so therefore you shouldn't be able to get a ticket for driving while license suspended, repeat offender.
Yes.
I'm gonna set you a trial date for April the 27th. (2023) at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay.
All right,
April.
What is it gonna take for you to get a valid driver's license, ma'am?
Pay off Dearborn, which is $600.
All right, well, you working?
Yes.
So hopefully you have that paid off and you bring a valid driver's license in here and then it'll be water under the bridge.
Okay.
All right,
And what
April
20th?
April the 27th, 2023 at 9 a.m. April the 27th, 2023 at 9 a.m.
All right, thank you, Your Honor. Have a good
Not
day.
April the 26th,
Okay,
April the 27th.
okay.
All right, have a great day, ma'am.
You too.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Where's Mr. Goss? I'm not that, I'm marking that Perkins guy's license.
Do you know where you? Do you know? You don't.
All right. Manuel Gibson, you're supposed to send me something. I got something here. Let's see.
I requested it to you.
Still nothing, Mr. Gibson.
Well, everything, Manuel Gibson, everything was attached to your email.
Yeah, I haven't gotten it. Maybe it's too big of a file. Maybe it's transmitting. I just haven't gotten it yet. All right, that's that. He's got Lewis and he's got the Millionaire's file, right? That should be it. Perkins, if he ever checks his audio.
Scheduled for yesterday at 8:30.
Larkins was.
Yes.
Everybody in this room.
Yeah, Olivia, Mike Mayor too, right? Didn't know Olivia Meyer come too?
Yes. She said, right.
Yesterday.
Okay, yeah. All right. Got any offers? We need the Millionaire, and Latham, that's two, it's two, he's got two names.
I have a ticket for the
And then we are waiting on his ticket. You have Emmanuel Gibson, he hasn't sent, I haven't gotten that information yet, Mr. Gibson. Okay. And then we have Mr. Lewis, who's sitting here waiting.
For Lewis,
Christopher Lewis, let's call that case.
it's gonna be, do we have a driver's license?
Mr. Lewis.
sir.
Let me ask you this. Do you have a valid driver's license, sir?
No, sir, because they said I had.
That's it. That's it. Because what? Go ahead.
No, I went down there like you said. I paid the money. I went to the Secretary of State, and she said I got a ticket. I had to get these cleared before I could take the test.
Let me see what you have.
Okay, I need you.
There's 2 tickets.
Let's see. Let's see. Hold it up.
I'm outside, so
Here you go.
I see that.
Attorney Goss.
Let's see. I'm trying to see. Well, do this. Read me a case number. Read me the case number on there.
SP 10451153.
Is that the only case number that they're talking about?
No, it's one more. It's 194954242.
Start over again. Start over again.
194954242.
194954242.
Yes.
Let's get Mr. Lewis's file. Hold on, Lewis.
That's on here for September.
Yeah, he might be able to be helped.
So,
He went and did some homework.
all right, so there's no insurance proof. That's what,
Sure.
that's what's suspended.
What's the middle name? Christopher Arthur Lewis?
Yes, sir.
So why didn't you pay the reinstatement fee up front?
I did. I went down to the 36th district, and she told me it'll be in the computer. Just go to the
It
secretary.
doesn't have it that you paid it. It doesn't have it that you paid it here.
I paid the $95, like you said, sir. I had the receipt and everything.
I'm not saying you didn't, but they must have applied it to something else.
I told them exactly what you said. You said, tell them this is for so I can get my license. And she said that's all I had to do. Let me see.
Was on that 19.
You speak because on that one, 1941.2, I was listening for officer. You do allow safety charge.
And just one count of allowance?
Yeah, she didn't give me no.
In the equipment for officers.
All right, let's call the cases. This is the city of Detroit versus Christopher Arthur Lewis. Case numbers SP 106-09-791, SP 136-0412, count 1, 2, and 3. SP 104-511.
Brother, I'm on court. Watch out.
5 counts.
I'm on court.
1, 2, and 3. 19-337-4341. 19-495-424. Counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
And Warbling P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
Mr. Warbling, can you get those officers out the breakout room, please? State your name for the record, Mr. Lewis, please.
Lewis.
You want me to tell you who Mr. Lewis reminds me of when I look at him?
Oh.
Big Perm.
Oh, big bird.
You know he's out there. He's got some money in his pocket. He knows. That's what Mr. Lewis reminds me of.
And what he say? Stop playing with me, Smokey.
Playing with me, Smokey.
He counted the money, y'all. Then he gonna flip the money around. Talking about some 120, 140. Say, stop playing with me, boy.
All right, Mr. Goss, where did he go? He says, Officer Van Sickle, good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Van Sickle, badge 2734, Detroit Police Department.
And good morning, Officer McLean. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Officer Section McLean, badge 4012, Detroit Police Department.
All right. Good morning to you both. I believe Mr. Goss was going to give Mr. Lewis a break because he has been here before and he has done everything he can do to get a valid driver's license. He's just this one step away. So he was going to offer Mr. Lewis an allowing and then 1 count of defective equipment. That's a $240 fine for the allowing and a $130 fine for the defective equipment. And the rest of the cases will be dismissed.
Okay.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
I don't know if you guys are even here on Mr. No.
Yes, thank you so much.
None of you guys are here on Mr. Lewis. I mean, Mr. Lewis. Tell Mr. Goss that neither of these officers are here on Mr. Lewis.
Officer Van Sickle is, Your Honor. I had the defective equipment.
Oh, you had the defective equipment?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very well. 19-3374341.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea.
So stipulated, Judge.
All right, I'm going to find him responsible for the amended count of defective equipment or as charged defective equipment, $120. Yeah. See what Mr. Goss wants to do. I know Akins showed up late, but see what Mr. Goss wants to do with the allowing. All right, Mr. Warbler.
Yes, Judge.
All right, let me pass that matter momentarily. Did you get the millionaire late? Officer, let's call this case and get this officer McLean on his way. City of Detroit versus Justin Borsch, case number SP 1362440, count 1 and count 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Ben Werwing, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
All right, Officer McLean, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes. So effective McLean, badge 4012, Detroit Police Department.
All right, I don't know, and I'm not gonna expect Mr. Warbling to know where, Mr. Morris is, so we're just gonna tell you to appear. There's nothing further off you claim. You have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
All right. The millionaire.
Yeah.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Latham. Mr. Latham, they have a failure to display. You were talking about some classes, sir. What kind of classes did you take?
You told me to get back in school. I got like a couple more credits before I get out. It was for the Coventry House School.
When are you gonna be done?
They said at the end of April, hopefully.
All right, I'm gonna give him 6 more days. What about a driver's license? Why can't you get a driver's license?
I never even tried. I can go for it this weekend. I can set me an appointment.
Come back in 30 days and try to get a driver's license, all right?
Okay, I'll do that for you.
April the 4th, do it for you. April the 4th.
Okay. Is these tickets go they ain't gonna be in the way, is it, for me trying to get my driver?
It shouldn't be in the way.
Okay, I got you.
Nothing should be in the way, not here. Come back April 4th and then let us know what your progress is and let me remind me about the school too, all right?
Okay.
All right, have a good day, sir.
You too.
Miss Lundy, I always say, Miss Lundy, that unmute yourself, please.
Sorry, I was trying to.
So, Miss Lundy, I always ask people that come in with the bonnet, do you wear the bonnet to the club?
No, I just have a bonnet on because my hair is a mess under here.
I said, do you wear it to the club?
No.
So why would you wear it to the courtroom?
Am I allowed to wear a hat?
You're allowed to wear a hat.
Okay, I'll put a hat on. Okay. Better.
Now, why are you so late?
I just thought that my court date was at the same time my court date was when I had the last one, which was at 1 o'clock 1 p.m. But when I checked my papers, it was at 8:30. So I called in and they told me to join Zoom.
Do you have a valid license?
No, I haven't got a license yet. I have a valid permit.
This is the state of Michigan versus Brooklyn Monet Lundy, case number SX411445551. Appearance for the record, please.
Ben Warbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
State your name for the record, Ms. Lundy.
Brooklyn Lundy.
Yes. All right, I got a valid driver's license. I'm going to dismiss the case for providing valid documentation.
Thank you, Your Honor.
There's nothing further, Ms. Lundy. Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Good morning to you.
Good morning, Aaron.
How are you?
Good to see you.
Excellent. Good to see you as well. Mr. Lewis. On the record with Mr. Christopher Lewis. I'm gonna make him take this this allowing 240. You know, I'm gonna let it stay like it is.
Gave him like only like $60.
Equipment. Let's call these cases and deal with the ones that are P 106-09791. That Officer Perkins was late. SP 136-0412. Counts 1, 2, and 3. Officer Myers, hearing no response. Make a motion on those tickets, Counselor.
Judge, moving to dismiss for the officer's failure to appear.
Then I'll grant the motion to dismiss for Officer Akins because, but I will say that she was here. Still got more tickets up here. SP 104-5115, counts 1, 2, and 3. Both Officer Akins as well. Well, 19-495-424, counts 1, 2, and 3. Officer Wade Natho. Want to make a motion on those?
Judge, moving to dismiss for his failure to appear, Your Honor.
Defective
Excuse me.
equipment.
Officer Nato was here. He spoke with the prosecutor. He was dismissing for recollection. He was there.
Very well, thank you. We'll say no recollection. Officer Nato appeared. I'm gonna put Officer Nato appeared. Officer Akins appeared. And here. I'll dismiss those, no recollection.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Officer Spencer. $120, sir. That's your early Christmas present. When can you pay it? Oh, he's back.
Okay. Thank you so much. Yep. Y'all be careful today, okay?
How's your daughter?
Doing well. What'd you say?
Snowing on it?
Not yet, from what I can tell. It looks like it's gonna be rain over the next 2 hours. Okay. The snow starts around 4.
All right.
Yeah,
everybody's good. All right, Mr. Lewis, you're getting a big break here. When can you pay this $120?
I get my taxes Monday, so I can go Monday. I can go today. I'm gonna come down today.
There it is.
Okay.
Come down today and pay it, sir.
Okay, I'm coming today.
$120 on 19-337-4341. Have a good day, sir. Good luck to you.
All right, thank you.
All right.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. What about Mr. Gibson?
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
All right, Officer Van Sickle, have a good day. Thank you so much and be safe out there, all right?
Thank you, sir.
All right. What about Mr. Gibson? Take it
Do you
easy.
think we're
Have a
still
good
waiting
day.
on that paperwork? the email?
This here, he was here, and I put him out because he never did have his camera on and never did. So give him another date, please. All right, Mr. Gibson,
Well, yeah, Mr. Gibson's here.
I never got the email.
I sent it for the third time, and I had all the correct information, and
Let me make
nothing
sure
came back. Okay.
Well, I didn't get it. I put it in there correct.
Yeah, and I put it on my end correct too, and I sent it documents one at a time instead of all together too.
Well, I didn't get it.
Sean.Perkins@36district.org.
36districtcourt.org.
Yeah, 36districtcourt.org. Yep. Oh, you say the court goes on after district? I didn't see.
That's what the problem is. You're not reading the text. You're not reading the look at it in the chat. It's in there.
Okay, let me see this again here. Where'd he go? Yeah, I think you're right. Stand by, please.
You still need me?
Yeah, what are we gonna do with Mr. Gibson? All right, Justin, G, you just missed the boat. You just missed the bus.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I had forgot all about it. I thought I had my alarm set for it today.
The officer appeared too.
Okay.
Come back, come back April the 27th, 2023 at 9 a.m.
April 27th at 9 a.m.
April 27th at 9 a.m. and no scarf on your head.
Okay.
All right, have a good day, sir.
All right. Sorry about that again.
All right.
All right.
Officer Presley is the one that wrote Mr. Gibson the tickets.
Didn't notice that, Judge.
I didn't either. I just saw that just now.
Your Honor, we can just give him a allowing to dismiss the other one.
Gibson.
Manuel Gibson, and I just resend. You should have it now. Miss Gibson here. Mr. Gibson here.
Let's go on the record with Mr. Gibson. Mr. Gibson, the offer is going to be
Manuel Christopher Gibson.
The offer is going to be pleading to allowing a $240 fine. It will not abstract to the Secretary of State. Will dismiss the no insurance matter. I'll dismiss the misdemeanor upon payment. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Warbling, read him his advice of rights if he wants to take the deal.
Yes, Your Honor.
Absolutely.
Did you ask for something? Thought you gave it, told me to give it today. Is he still on? No. Okay, I put it right here on the journal when I start processing that stuff, once I finish this. All your dispositions, I try to make sure they in for.
That's that Marvin Lewis.
I went to update it.
He got an order, he went to sign it.
You still on? I mean, I stamped it because you granted the motion, so when the order came in, I just stamped it.
The mail came in, that's what was on my desk. So
I know, I seen it yesterday, because you granted the order, the motion, so when that order came in, I just stamped it. I tried to call them, but they didn't answer the call. He wasn't there, the attorney.
All right, we're back on the record with Manuel Gibson. Mr. Gibson, giving you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counselor,
I did.
We did speak, Judge. I did explain that the allowing, it won't abstract, and there's no points, and it doesn't show up on the driving record. I also gave him a caveat that it may affect his future administrative hearing appeal process that he's currently in. They still may know about it. The contact alone may push back his appeal date, but he's been apprised of all that, but notwithstanding, he still wants to go forward and take the offer.
Okay. You want to do that, Mr. Gibson?
Absolutely, yes.
Where are you?
Oh, I'm hitting this video and it's not, I don't know why it's not showing me. Technical difficulties here. Let's see.
You want to raise your right hand, sir?
Yes, sir.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
So help me God, I do.
You can put your hands down.
Okay.
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and/or $500 in fines?
I do.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
I do.
Mr. Worthing went over some of your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did he not?
He did.
You understood him?
I understood him 100%.
No question about him, right?
No question about him.
You understand you're gonna give him up once you take this deal?
I understand that.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Nobody's offered me nothing in the record.
All right, let me draw your attention back to March the 4th, 2022 at around 8:41 p.m. in the city of Detroit, the area of Connor and Christie Street, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
I did.
On that date, were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, I was.
Did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, he did.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No, I could not.
Why is that?
Because of the pending case prior of the administrative hearing that.
You don't have a license, correct?
Correct.
All right, I'm gonna find your client guilty of the admitted count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other matter.
So stipulate, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna, $240, I'll dismiss upon payment. When can you pay, Mr. Gibson?
2 weeks.
All right, I'm gonna have you back on the morning of March the 24th. Let's make sure it's paid, we can close it out and dismiss the case, all right?
Sounds good. Yes, March 24th.
At 8:25, come back and come in, and if it's paid, I'll get you right